Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Oppo Reno4 Pro. The box itself has a very unique holographic design on it. Outside that, there is not much information on the box other than the fact that this device has 128 GB of memory and 8 GB of RAM. Now it's time to open the box. First we slide out the actual box that has the device in it. This one looks more like a basic box set. Let's remove the top lid. First we have a smaller white box. Let's quickly open it up. Inside there is a SIM ejector tool attached to a tray. A very handy and important tool. Keep it safe. Next we have some documents. Finally, we have a transparent cover to keep the smartphone scratch free. Now it's time to look at the Oppo Reno4 Pro itself. Let's quickly remove the plastic cover and the sticker. This is what the Oppo Reno4 Pro looks like. This is one beautifully designed phone. Oppo Reno4 Pro boasts of 3D curved design, which means that there are no corners on this phone, only curves. There is a quad camera setup at the back. Also, the phone is quite thin and lightweight as well. The current variant is called Silky White. There is another one called Starry Night. Let's keep the phone to one side and go back to the box. Under this cardboard tray we have a 65-watt superVOOC 2.0 power adapter and a USB-C type charging cable. But last but not the least, there is a pair of earphones as well. That's a great touch. And that's all you will find inside this box. Thank you for watching.